What is up, everyone? We're here with a Spectra One Boxer. Spectra One Boxer number 5, number 6 is in the store right now. Already close to halfway filled, so definitely go get your spots. Here we go. Good luck. Rolling the dice. Going 10 times, 5 and a 5. Alright, we'll do the names first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Daryl on top, James on the bottom. Can't copy and paste it. There we go. Put that right here. Alright, now for the teams. Good luck. 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Houston up top, Cleveland on the bottom. Alright, here we go. We have Daryl with the Rockets, Hiller with the Bulls, Troy with the Wizards, Daryl with the 76ers, Nick with the Hornets, Michael with the Suns, Bruce with the Spurs, Neil with the Pacers, Cody with the Pistons, Michael W with the Nets, Jason C with the Mavericks, Nick G with the Bucks, Neil with the Lakers, Michael W with the Warriors, Neil with the Thunder, Sky with the Clippers, Felix with the Timberwolves and the Heat, Troy with the Kings, John C with the Magic and the Celtics, Corey K with the Hawks, John S with the Knicks, Sky with the Grizzlies, Robert with the Jazz, John S with the Trailblazers, Michael with the Pelicans, Felix with the Raptors, Brian with the Nuggets, and James with the Cavaliers. So there you go. Thanks, everyone. Gonna pause the video real quick. When we come back, we'll open the case, fresh case, pick the box, and go on it. Alright, there are no trades, so here is your final look at your teams.
Did you put the new toner in?
Joe did.
Probably put it in wrong.
It prints out some and doesn't print out the others. Alright, so I'm gonna open up this and then we'll see which box we're doing. It's gotta be. I'll blame it on Joe. Alright, we'll go boxes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let me number these. Alright, maybe y'all can see that. So I'm gonna roll the dice. See which box we're doing. 6 is a re-roll. Good luck, boxes. 1, doing box 1. Put these back here. Alrighty. Good luck, everyone. I know I need one of those 5-sided die, a 6-sided die. Not a 6-sided die, a 12-sided die. I need every number up 1 through 20. Actually, let's leave this here. Times on the random. Alright. Hey Bruce, how's it going? You have the Spurs. And I think you had just one spot in this one. San Antonio Spurs. Alright, first card up is for the Thunder, Serge Ibaka. Base card going out to the Thunder, owned by Neil. 46.75. No problem. For the Milwaukee Bucks, Tyler Ennis. Blue Jumbo Jersey rookie. Owned by Nick G. 5/49. Tyler Ennis. It depends on what they're numbered to. If it's like $9.99, probably not. But if it's a 75, probably would. Ooh, this is a nice one. Corey K with a 4-color patch. Kyle Korver for the Hawks. This is a green too. Atlanta Hawks, Corey K. That one's numbered 3/5. Very nice. Three out of 5, Kyle Korver. Very nice. Got the strip of silver right there. 4-color. I like this Spectra basketball a lot. Miami Heat going out to Felix. Got a James Ennis jersey auto. Miami Heat. Been pulling nonstop James Ennis here at Jaspy's Haviland. Going out to Felix. 65/125. Next one up, we got a jumbo jersey, Gorgie Dang for the Timberwolves. Spectacular jumbo jersey auto. Timberwolves going out to Felix. Gorgie Dang. 134/149. Now we need the Ellen Timberwolf. Whoops. We'll just go this way. Spencer Hawes for the Clippers. Clippers hit a lot in this. Going out to Sky. Jumbo jersey auto. That one's numbered to 149. 41/149. Ooh, that's nice. Going out to John C. We got a 2-color gold prism patch auto, D Brown. Very nice. Boston Celtics. Going out to John C. Very nice. Congrats, John. Three out of 10. 3/10 for the Celtics. Nice hit. I guess that looks like an N almost right there. Pretty nice. On card too. And remember how he said we need the Eller Timberwolves? We got him. 2-color rookie patch auto for the Timberwolves, Andrew Wiggins. Wow. Timberwolves going out to Felix. Very nice. 2-color rookie patch autograph. Rookie of the Year, Andrew Wiggins. Very nice. Felix. Grab a few teams. Looks like 3 teams, 4 teams maybe. Popping this out for only, what, $40? Nice hit. And then we got Blue Prism of Jeremy Lin for the Lakers. Going out to Neil. Jeremy Lin Blue Prism. If I get it in focus. 35/49. And we have K-Love for the Cavaliers. Going out to James. Blue Prism. 40/49. Go Bruins. All right, everyone. That was the box. Thanks, everyone, for joining. Very nice. Green number to 5. Gold to 10. Patch auto. Andrew Wiggins. Not bad for only $16. Thanks, everyone. Appreciate it. Number 6 is in the store. Remember, we got to fill all those boxes from that case. All 4 boxes. And then we give away the 5th to someone who joined in one of those 4. Thanks, everyone. Getting it filled up.